Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher and dear fellow, Assalamu alaikum. I am Fida Sheikh here to present my business plan that we were assigned by our MI instructor, Ma'am Faryal Shamsi. So the plan that I have decided for business is to launch an app. So first start with the executive summary. My app is scamming and learning app. We all are aware about the current situation of the world, not only in our country but all over the world. People are facing this coronavirus. So mission goal of the my app is to aware the number of the people, because people are not taking the serious and also ignoring the peoples who tell them or aware them about the precaution symptoms. But people are more obsessed to technology, so people will surely follow the precaution when it comes to technology. In this way, they will have the entertaining and learning. That comes that either the app is product or the service. So it is like a service which you all can avail 24/7 hours. We will not keep any time limits that you can only use or play the game in a particular time. It will be available to you people all the time and will guide you to keep yourself safe. The last part of executive summary is employees and the location. So employee will be owner and the programmer, because they both are only working on it. Means we will not hire any employees for this. And then comes the location. You all can use this app at any location. Nobody will be bound to use the particular place like organization, institute or house. I have decided to launch this app to reach the people as much as we can. So bounding for location will not be suitable. Problem statement, revenue model, solution, business process. In problem statement, let's discuss about the problem that occur in this app. Because in technological things, the problem is a common issue. The first and foremost problem that I think can be internet connection. All games that are trending nowadays runs on the internet connection, but there are a lot of people who cannot afford the internet connection all the time. So they do not play such interesting games like PUBG, Fortnite Battle Royale. Solution. Every problem have a solution. Keeping the problems of internet connection that people face while playing, we have decided that there will be no such requirements of COVID-19 gaming and learning app. People can play the game offline easily, but they only need internet while downloading the app from app. Otherwise, they are free from the problem of internet. How can I create income from this app? So it is quite clear that when people will download the app, there will be a very low amount of cost for the people to download it. Not such a huge amount that people waste in games without any reason. Another source of income can be the app store, through which I sell my app to the million of people. App stores also have to pay some premium like a cost, because I am giving them my own innovation or creation which can be beneficial for them. Then a business process. In a process, there are some steps to launch an app or to start a business. The first is to find the goal of your business or your idea that I have cleared above. Second, to create a clear map of the business or app, that how will it start and will reach to its final users. The third is to testing the process to assure that people will either like it or not. Then fourth, implementation. Last but not the least is to launch the app to start a business. Supply chain. First, the programmer will start app. He will be the main source of it. Then it will go to the owner, means I will receive the app when programmer is done. After this, it will be my choice. It will be my decision to choose a source through which I will send my app to the final user. Keep the current trend in my mind before giving order to programmer, because trend and themes are the important part of it. I have to respect the people's idea and their needs. When I just decide the theme, we should assure that our theme of app is different and unique from the others. Trend and themes should be related to each other. And then here is the customers, who can be anyone among you all. We have not decided to just target the workers, students or the particular professionals to use our app. After this, the most toughest task come, that is competitors. You have to keep your app different from your competitors in all the ways, because when you hit your competitor, it is like a real success of your business and it shows you are on the peak of business. And this is possible only when people use or prefer our game app. So our last marketing plan is to choose the best marketing channel to promote or approach more than number of the people. Is my business sustainable or not? I will say definitely yes, because it is in our hand to make it successful, not only in a present time but in a future too. So we can keep changing our themes and level according to the trend and customer requirement. Then there is a building cost. It will depend upon the programmer's demand at how much they are required to build the cost. Then there is a software cost. Different software have a different cost. We will try to have a best software and it will cost high definitely. Then there is the last marketing cost. Marketing costs, when we select a source or channel to promote our app and approach more people, they will definitely charge the cost related to this. So thank you.